Have you ever wondered how you felt exhausted from a super long week of a stressful work trying to cope up with deadlines and reports undone? After 2 weeks straight of working 12 hours straight, a very much needed weekend getaway to rejuvenate both body and soul. Getting lost in the wilderness is simply the best. The Shasta Trinity National Forest is a federally designated forest in Northern California, USA. It is the largest national forest in California and is managed by the United States Forest Service. The 2,210,485-acre, 894,552 ha forest encompasses 5 wilderness areas, hundreds of mountain lakes and 6,278 miles, 10,103 kilometers, of streams and rivers. Major features include Shasta-Lic, the largest man-made lake in California, and Mount Shasta, elevation 14,179 feet, 4,322 m. The Shasta Trinity National Forest offers a wide range of recreational activities. Get lost in a truly paradise where peace and tranquility is filled deep within.